Properties of terms of a GP. For any three terms A, B, and C in GP, as you know, the common ratio is same. So second term divided by the first one and third term divided by the second term should be equal. So B over A is equal to C over B, which gives us B square equals AC, or B equals square root AC. Here B is also known as the geometric mean of A and C. If you multiply or divide each term of a GP with a non-zero number, then we get a new GP. Similarly, if you raise each term to a fixed power, we get another GP. For example, if you have a GP 2, 4, 8, and so on, and if you raise each term to power 2, we'll still get a GP. If A, B, and C are in GP, then log A, log B, log C, they will be in AP, and vice versa. Three terms in GP should preferably be taken as A over R, A, and AR if the product of terms is given. Otherwise, we can also choose them as A, AR, and AR square. Similarly, if the product of terms is given, the four terms in GP should be taken as A over R cube, A over R, AR, and AR cube.